Great, we started, man. Oh, man, my thing's chipped. Anyways, what's good, my people? Well, at this point, it's just me in it, but we're up for another session today, and let's just say I'm tired, man. It's an early day for me. I haven't even slept yet, bro. It's literally been up all night, bro. Just put this on because let me not lie, it's been cold, isn't it? Give me a second, shut the doors and stuff. I say it's cold. Okay. Alright, so little recap for the day. Well, yesterday actually. Yesterday was a bit of an L day. I remember that. It wasn't all too good. We actually had two losing trades, and I actually ended up jumping back on. Bad psychology. Shouldn't have done that. And I lost another trade. Right. However, the trades I took yesterday weren't bad necessarily. They were just entered at the wrong time, and I'll show you exactly what I mean by that. Yeah. And let me put it on a. Yeah, the trades I placed yesterday, they were good. They were alright. I will even demonstrate on the thing. Let me share my screen. So let me get right into that. Just bear with me. Entire screen. Lovely. Great. So I'm going to go back into trading view, right? Yesterday we started with EU. This is just a little recap of what happened yesterday and what actually went wrong and as to why my trade went wrong. I waited for it. I literally looked at it last night before getting into bed, and I figured out what the main problem was with my trade. Trade itself, okay, cool. It lost, it failed, that's fine. What my initial entry was this fair value gap right here. I tried to make an entry off of this. Right, price obviously did tap into it. My entry was up here because obviously it's spread. Did its thing, broke through it straight away. However, there's a couple of things I didn't account for. Alright, a couple of things that I genuinely missed out. This here that I marked out was it's okay. Like I could use it. It was still technically a change of character, but there wasn't enough. There wasn't enough of a push to the upside. Do you get me? I didn't have enough momentum going up. Right. I need displacement. I got a bit okay, cool, a bit excited by the fair value gap. Yeah, gonna make an entry. That's what happened with me. Right. Secondly, there wasn't enough of a break below the Asian low. I need more of a sweep to happen here. Yeah. Example as this is what I needed to see. Let me get my circle out. Right. This here is what I want to see. All of this, when it broke below this would have been a pretty precise area to make an entry. And obviously that's what happened. Even here, it's not very clear and concise that there's been a sweep below this. But here there is. Obviously price broke below very quick. Boom. Displacement, that's fine, that's good. On top of that, we had displacement to the upside. Do you get it? This is where price started to kind of slow down, momentum kind of slowed down a bit. Where we had displacement going up, and obviously from there on, we had a change of character again. And obviously it's more certain because price actually closed above this. The candle closed above. On top of that, fair value gap spawned left, right, center. Do you get it? I'm gonna easily make an entry for one of these. Me personally, I'd have entered off of this one right here. This would have been my fair value gap to enter off of. Do you get it? So I would have been in this trade if I actually took this correctly. However, there's also this zone that I didn't keep account of. Let me show you. If I go into the 1 hour time frame, right? We go to where price is now. One thing, yeah, look at this. On the hour time frame, we have an order block right here from where this point is at the moment, right? You take this, it's been unmitigated up until when I took that trade. Price actually did tap into that and had a reaction off of it for it to then rebound off of. Do you get it? But that's how it is essentially, more or less. That was the analysis for that. So this trade itself wasn't bad. It wasn't a bad trade. It was just I entered it incorrectly. That's it. Simple as. We do the same thing today. Yeah, we wait for clear break above. If it's like it goes up a little bit, comes back down, we're not going to use that. Wait for a clear break above. Wait for a clear displacement to the low, to the downside, just to get that extra confirmation, you know. All right, GU. I don't remember if we made an entry on this. Let me just double check it. Yeah, we did. It's the same thing with GU, literally. But I didn't check if there was an order block that must have. No, I don't think it was. Same thing here as well. I did the exact same thing. I used this, which it broke below. That's fine, but it wasn't exactly as clear as it could have been. Do you get it? Break below, great and all. And then it went up slowly. It went up. I don't want a slow rise. Do you get it? I want displacement. I want to see that choppy, not choppy. I want to see it to be quick. That didn't happen. Yeah. But obviously, there was a change of character and so on and forth. But here, what happened here was I obviously used this as, yes, it's going to start. It's a change of character. It's not a change of character. The only change of character we have here is this, I would say, from here. When you run price above here to here, I would say this would have been my change of character. However, I actually considered this as my change of character. I should have been a bit more clear and concise. This is not a change of character. This is equal highs. We had equal highs here before price came down, and obviously now over here there's built up liquidity, right? Because of built up liquidity, price obviously has to come back to sweep it. So it's literally a price magnet now. So obviously it repelled off of it, which is what happened in this instance. It broke through my stop loss, shattered it, came through. It swept the lows here. This was sell side liquidity it swept, and this was the clear break that we needed. Do you get it? Compared to this, which wasn't as clear, the clear break. And what happened here? A clear displacement to the upside. Okay, that's good. That's what we're looking for. And this would have been the bear entry, where you have this. Okay, that's a change of character. That's a very clear change of character. Do you get it? And what happened was price came down, tapped into this cheeky little fair value gap right here. That's what price tapped into. That's where you would have made your entry. Do you get it? This would have been an ideal entry. And then obviously price did its thing. And obviously I would have been taking it out here. So yeah. And finally, the one that I went ahead and did on myself, bad psychology, shouldn't have done it. I admit that. But let's see. I'm gonna show you quickly. Yeah, this just was bad. I can't lie. It was good. It was okay in first. Like at first, this was good. It was in. I thought it was gonna go well. Oh snap! That was an accident. It was here. I thought it was gonna go well. It was looking good. Trade was up here. At first, it was about 1 to 7, I think, I believe. Came up. This was about 1%. Okay, I was like, you know, I could take it at 1%. I was joking. I didn't think that. I just let it run until it hit my TP. But price obviously had other plans. But at this point, it was somewhat risk free though. Yeah, I did move my stop loss back to break even. I didn't want to risk losing again. Well, I lost like nothing in it, but depending on your prop firms, a lot of prop firms do take commission. I didn't take that into account. So yeah, I did take this L. It is an L for me technically, and then yeah, price didn't really come back up until literally it was just until New York session. But look at this, New York is crazy, man. But yeah, that's what happened. yesterday. My little analysis for the day. I didn't log it down. I should probably log it down in my journal. All right. Same thing today. What we do is we wait on those setups. Same thing. I don't think we're gonna have any though. To be fair, we might have a bit of a wait. Okay, GUs do this thing. The moment it breaks above here is what we're waiting on. It's almost there. To be fair, remember what I said. Step one, it needs to be clear. It needs to be a very, very clear cut above. If it's a clear cut above it, that's good for me. All right, so great, it's doing its thing. Okay, swept, officially swept above. Remember what I said, I want to see it clear, very, very clear sweep. So I'm not going to use this just yet. Even though it's starting to come down, still not going to use it. Let me take a look on the DXY. Okay, the DXY has swept the low. This is very clear actually, I can't lie. But I do need it to be a bit more clear on here, because I can't use this. At this rate, it's literally becoming equal high for here. Do you get it? So I'm not going to work with equal high where price is potentially going to come back as a price magnet. Just do it like that. Put the equal high. There we go. Yeah, I like this, but do you know what? No, this is good. I like this. Let's wait. Let's let price play it out. It's gonna come back to this just to sweep it out correctly. Same thing here, like, because obviously I'm not too sure if you know this, or for whoever does see this, what price likes to do. So with pairs like of the same, with the currencies, with English man, let me just give an example. Euro USD and GBP USD, they both contain the USD pair. So because they contain the same pair and both those pairs, on top of that, it is London session. London session does impact the USD. You can expect them both to move in a very similar direction. Yeah, look what happened. Made equal highs here, came down. Obviously, it had to come back up to sweep it. This is what we like to see. Yeah, so all we do is we wait, let it have its displacement. See, do you see what I mean? This is what I mean by when I say they're conjoined. This is why I trade in sessions, and the correct pairs, with the correct pairs, can actually do help you out sometimes. If you got Euro USD moving bullish, you're likely to see that GBP USD is also moving bullish. So obviously that's happened in this instance, bullish. You see, even market structure itself looks very similar. Do you get it? You've got the up here, you got the down, up, down, up. Same thing here, up, down, up, down. Obviously here's a bit more clearer. I can't lie, Euro USD, but this is what we were waiting for. Now we've had our break above here. Great. Now I'd consider this, to be fair. This is nice. I like this. However, for this to be valid for my next stage, we need to wait for it to break below here. It's a very big wait. Yeah, it's a very big ways to go down. However, that's just for step 2. I might not even take the trade if it's this far down. If it creates new highs and new higher lows, then yeah, we'd use those instead. And that's probably what I'm going to try to go for anyways. But let's take a look. Let's see. Let's take a look. But yeah, as we're just gonna wait for that to play out. Literally, this is doing correct. I'll be right. I want this to go up a bit more. I do want it to have a bit more space while it goes up before it does make its way down. Reason why, it's just to create the new higher lows, and I need clearer market structure, basically. So like in this instance, you see when these fractals get formed, I want to be able to trade using the fractals. That's what would help me more. So I'm wearing this, but I'm still really cold and stuff. Tired as well, man. Haven't slept. Been a bit ill in it, so been a bit sick. Sleep is a bit of an issue for me at the moment. This is good as well. Yeah, the higher it goes, the better. That's what I'm saying, because it's very clear. But I would have preferred to see this happen on US 100, just because US 100 does have a bit more clarity behind it. But this is good. We can still work with this. Yeah, we can use this here now. We can use this low. As long as there's a clear structure, as in, if next candle is literally come straight below it, we could technically use it, but I don't like to see that. Do you get it? We could technically use below here as well. But like I'm saying, I don't like because it's not clear. It's just, you've got candles about the same length and stuff. So the structure itself, it's okay, but it could be better. Do you get it? Okay, G is doing good. Now we've got this here. We can actually wait for it to come to here. Yeah, great. Okay. This is good. This is really good. So now all we need is for price to come below here. If price can get below this point, this would be our change of character. Or market structure shift for all your ICT traders out there, like me. Here on the other hand, we wouldn't use that. We wouldn't use this here. We could, technically we could, but like I'm saying, market structure. I want the structure to, the flow of the market and the structure to be very, very clear and concise. Reason why is because these are indications that's going to be buys. Fair value gaps, the indications for buys. Do you get it? Price like to use these as trampolines, basically. You can think of it as where it jumps into it, and obviously with the force that you put on a trampoline when you jump on it, it bounces you off. It's the same thing in this concept. Price comes into it, it bounces into it, the force within it pushes it back up. Exact same thing. But yeah, look at that. It's tapped onto this, so it's actually turned into equals. Let's see, the only time I'd confidently consider this a change of characters if it closes below. That's it. But even then, it's very weird. I didn't even check the news today, but let me check if there's news. You know, today's fine. USD news 130. Okay, that's fine. Let's see. I should get a better mic in it. I feel like there's too much black background static, if you know what I mean. That's fine though. Alright, let's see what's happening now. Still need to wait for this. Even though, like, in this instance as well, some people may even argue you can use this as well. Still wouldn't use it. Yeah, man. You're not going to work today, would?
Yeah, what time is it?
It's like 7:21. To change my setup, man. There's instances like this where I've got my mum that wants to walk past and stuff. My setup's in a very odd location. I don't really got that space. It's in my living room. It's weird, isn't it? You can tell everything behind me and stuff. Okay, look at your USD starting. It's just starting to create some sort of structure that we like. Same thing here. Let's wait and see. Okay. Even then, like even personally, I'm not too confident about the change of character, but we still could use it technically if price breaks below it. I would still like to see price go higher, and not lie. Just because why not? Do you get me? I think it would be better. I'm tired, bro. I am bare tired, bro. Okay. Okay. Now we're getting something. We could technically use this here, but I would still want it to break below this. There's a lot of wick movement happening, you can say. Same thing here. Even though like this is still technically, in fact, I'd just wanted to see it break below here, just for that clarity, you know. This one's quite unclear. Okay, look what's happening. Okay, it's got 20 seconds to close, but let's still give it a bit more time. Okay, it swept finally. This would be considered displacement. Let's just see what the next candle looks like as well, because it might even have an opportunity to come back in. Remember, I said I want it to close below. If it doesn't close below, I'm not gonna bother yet. Okay, didn't close below. Not gonna use this just yet. However, if this has a red candle as well, and it comes below and it's still closed below, then I would use this. This would actually be my setup, to be fair. So let's just see. Let's wait it out and see what happens. In this instance, same thing here. I want to see it break below here. Okay, let's see. Okay, this is good. Technically, this is also an order block. It's just entered into. Still hasn't closed below here. That's why I want it to close below, not above. But let's wait and see still. Here. It did technically close below. I could use this, but I'm not too happy with this at the moment. Let me still wait a bit, see what happens. Okay, look how that price is slowly making its way up and gets 30. Slowly but surely. This is clear. This is clear structure. I like this kind of structure where you've got clear lows here, higher highs, higher low, higher high. It's just formed a higher low here. It's gonna probably do the same thing up here, or it might even already sweep by then. But let's just wait and see. Do you know what? This is, you can potentially enter on this. I can't lie. Let me make an entry on one of them. I think it's better to enter on EU just because it's more clear. Right. So you could make an EU entry off of this fair value gap. I'm gonna leave GU for now, just because I don't like how it's looking. But it should be okay. Put it very clear. Uh-oh, oh, that's a bit annoying. I just placed it on the wrong pair. Crud. That's not good. Okay, no, it's fine. That's the wrong thing as well. Euro, USD. I misplaced my pair. Oh no, that's so annoying. That's so bad. How have I done this? Okay, I mean, I placed the correct one. That's so bad. No. How have I done this? No. GBP CAD. No, that's so bad. What have I done? I placed it on a cell literally at the bottom of this, and it's just shot up. No. Do you know what? No. To be fair, we can still use this. Reason why I say that is, no, I don't even think it's usable. Okay, I'm gonna have to wait a bit. Oh, such a rookie mistake, man. I always do this. This is it's pretty big as well, can't I? That's fine. I don't like this. Oh my gosh, you're killing me, man. How have I done this? Do you know what? It's fine. I need it to go down. Can't lie, this is so hard. This is so annoying. I literally need it to come down below here. Let me see. Right now it's at, my entry is 171961. Oh, you're joking. My entry is literally at the very bottom. My entry is literally at the very bottom. No, you're joking, man. I just need it to come into here, or at least near it, just so I can exit the trade, because I don't know how this is going to look. Do you know what? This is actually okay, to be fair. The reason why I say that is this. It's showing clear, I mean, it's in consolidation, to be fair. But let's just see in it. Let's see. Okay, come down, please. Oh my days. It's actually not even below here. It's almost in. He's saying that that's where my. Just give me a second, guys. Okay, but I should be in profit then, yeah? Okay, I'm in profit. Oh. You can now. Okay, in profit, guys. This is a bit weird, I can't lie. Bit of an odd one. Let me just double check something. If it needs something. Neither green. What the hell what is going on, bro? What's going on? Huh? I swear, my eyes deceiving me or something. What's going on? Why is it doing that? I mean, I could just exit it here, to be fair. Yeah, I might as well just be happy with this. I'm out. I exited it around here. I'm pretty sure I exited it there. It's gonna keep going lower, but do you know what? I'll happily accept that, to be fair. This was a very weird one. Don't know what just happened here. And it's gonna keep dropping as well. Yeah, let me not lie to you. That was a very, very weird trade to... What is going on, bruv? I'm not going to look at this no more. I'm done. Done. I'm not going to look at that. That's just genuinely just going to mess with my head. Oh my days. Okay. What's going on here? Is that it happened in the USD as well? Yeah, no, the USD is moving a bit funny as well. It just dropped out of nowhere. Which is good. It is technically good. I've got a clear break below now. Okay, no, we can make an entry on this, but I've got to wait out first. Just bear with me. I'll only make an entry when it hits 50%. That's as clear as I'm going to make it. There is an order block up here. There's a chance price will go up to here, but I'm going to wait till the 50% gets hit. That's what I want. Yeah, he is moving mad, I can't lie. Okay. It hasn't hit yet. I don't need this. It broke below this fractal low here. Okay. It's moving a bit volatile now. It hasn't even hit my entry point yet. But it's a bit annoying. Could have been in a decent position, but it's okay. He's still pushing to go up. I can see that. Which is fine, it's okay. Let's wait it out. This, I'm pretty sure this is already making this move down, but there's a lot of imbalance here, so it doesn't need to fill that in. But let's wait and see, innit? Yeah, I'm curious to see what happens to that CAD trade. Let me just double check that again. What was that again? GBP CAD, was it? Yeah, GBP CAD. GBP CAD. That was very weird. I don't know what was up with that. Yeah, very weird. Like, just so random. I mean, I caught 1% with this. No, just a little less than 1% I caught. Which is okay. That's alright. It's alright. It's not too bad. Can't complain about that. Do you get me? Alright, let's see. See how price reacts with this. So to US 100. No, it still hasn't broken. Stay. Hasn't broken yet. Oh, what's this zone that I marked up? Oh, it's some random zone. I don't think this has any importance. Yeah, there's no significant value to this. But I do actually want price to go up though, can't lie. I don't like that it's going down on the DXY. Oh my goodness. It didn't get to reach the entry point. You know, price is making its way down now. That's fine. It is actually fine. I missed my entry on that, which is okay. Yeah, no, ideally, because obviously I like to enter off the 50%. It didn't hit my 50%, so I didn't make the entry. It was almost there, It's fine though. But let's just see if it does. If it does come back to the 50% of this, I could technically still enter off of it, so it should be fine. Yeah, now this is where price is moving very, very weird because it's very contradicting to each other here. What's happening here now? I need this to have a break above here, or even here. No, up here, if it broke above this, would be perfect. So price would be very, very like, yeah, you know what's happened. Oh, I'm missing this, man. He's annoying. I think it's getting affected by the GBP. Yeah, that look what's happening. I missed it. I missed all of this. I missed it. But let's see, guys. Let's see. I'm actually just waiting on this one at the moment. I need it to break below. Okay. It's moving correct, so that's good. This is going to keep going, actually. Believe it or not, this will actually hit my take profit. I know that for a fact. I could make an entry, but it's a bit of a random one. I don't know if that's not a smart idea. You make for a re-entry. So in this instance, there is actually a re-entry position right here. Another fair value gap. I could wait for a rebound off of this. And this time, let me make sure that I'm actually doing it on the correct one before I start moving crazy because of it. Let me see. Chart. Okay, it was pretty close to my entry. Didn't hit exactly. That's fine though. That's okay. But yeah, this one was a bit of a fumble for me. Okay, oh yeah, it didn't get to hit the entry. It's okay, I guess. Not too deep. It's just gonna keep falling, isn't it? Oh, okay. So ideally, right? Let me just make it clear. Yeah, this is weird, but it's an order block. This is technically an order block. Like here as well. If you want to make an entry, make an entry off of this. You can make an entry on this. Literally, it's about to break below. The moment it breaks below this, well, it closes below this. The moment it closes below this, you make an entry for this, right? Or for you as SMC traders out there, you make an entry above this order block here. This is an order block on the 1 minute time frame. And to be fair, this is a really good risk reward ratio, right? However, there's always a chance that price might not even get to this point. Do you get me? But I'm gonna wait for it to get to this though. And oh wait. Oh, when did I do that? Bro. Okay, that's fine. Same thing here. So let price do this thing. Let's see what the DXY is doing now. Remember what I said? I needed a break above here. It'll be a good break if it breaks above this. If it breaks above this, even more perfect. We can expect our trades to be guaranteed more or less the moment it breaks above that, which is good for us. This is missed opportunities. Let me not lie. Missed opportunity right here. But that's okay. I do this for literally for my own. You could just say like my own risk reward. It's just I like it to hit the 50% mark. But because I just didn't take it, obviously I missed it. I missed all of this. It's a good position though. That's fine, that's okay. I've already made an entry on this apparently. See this, oh my God, I'm so confused. I swear to God, bro. So I mean, you know when you guys want to trade, make sure you get your sleep as well. This I've missed. I've literally missed this whole thing. Let me not lie to you, because this would have been the perfect entry for it, but I missed the entry. That's fine. But this would have been the good re-entry. It didn't tap into the re-entry, so obviously no trade. My take profit would have been here. Do you get it? So this is miss. It's a miss for me. EUY USD, I've got a ways to go for it. I've actually already entered this, believe it or not. I can show you. Okay. Yeah, I am fumbling today, bro. I swear down. But I've actually already entered this. Don't know when I entered it. Let me just quickly check. But I entered it. Oh, Bloodfire. I actually entered it a while ago. I didn't realize. This is when I made my mistake. My mistake trade. Do you remember? I must have just placed this afterwards. I think I placed this around here. Here. I placed it here. SL's up here. Or no, it's here. My trade's here. Trade's here, guys. That's where I'm targeting. I'm targeting these lows here. 1 to 10. But as for where I put this, I would normally put it here in it, but I think this is fine though. We're actually in a good position. This is good. It's a good position. I think this is hit my stop, my take profit. Almost. It's almost here. I haven't taken the trade though. That's the thing. But this would have been a perfect trade. But I missed out on it, which is okay. It's fine. It's fine. Okay, do you know what? Let me put it this way. With this one trade alone, if it goes well, I'd make back all my losses from my prior 2 days, basically. So from yesterday and the day before, more or less. That's if it goes well, obviously. But I think it should be fine. It should be okay. This is it should be in a retracement. This is what I mean. You can make a re-entry off of this now. This is the new fair value gap that's formed. The order blocks here. Don't bother with the order block, I'll be real. The fair value gap's here. Wait for the 50% of this. If any of these lots do like the re-entries, then just put from actually. You wait for that 50% and then you just make a re-entry in it. US 100, what's happening? What's happening with you, man? Okay, not much. No, it's chilling. It's chilling. Yeah, this was a miss. This would have been a good trade. I'll be real. This would have had me up big time. This is good for me right now. It's going good. DXY. See what I said about this? The moment it breaks above here is perfect for me. Absolutely perfect. And where this is going to go, same concept. I feel like it's going to go above here. But let's see. One thing that I do need to do, right, is do higher time frame markups. That's one thing I need to do. Yeah, this is going well. It's going good. Okay. Look at that. I think it actually hit. Yeah, look at that. It hit my take profit. It genuinely would have hit the take profit point. So this here, let me put it this way. Imagine taking this trade at this point. So spread and wise, it would have been about here. You put your thing up here, send it down. It's about 1 to 3. 1 to 4. That's a great trade. I'll be real. It's a very good trade. Yeah. This normally, I would take bigger trades, but the reason why this one's not too big is because this fair value gap is huge. Do you get it? So you either put it above the fair value gap or above this high. Fair value gap's massive. Do you get it? I don't normally work with fair value gaps this big or this big, but it's fine. It's done its thing. It's working out. This as well. It's moving very, very weird, bro. Just wanted to just drop. Do you get it? But that's fine. It's actually okay. You just gotta be patient, you know. Be patient. Let price do its thing. DXY is going correctly. It's doing its thing. Just let it play out, more or less. That's literally what it is. There's clear structure with the DXY. Very clear structure. US 100, great. The USD. Oh, okay, it's blue candles again. What's this doing? Got a red candle. That's why. Oh yeah. So the way the DXY works, right, is basically the way it correlates with the Euro USD is whenever you see price going up, the Euro USD would be going down. But whenever the DXY goes down, the Euro USD goes up. Reason why it's like that, it's in polar opposites, is because the DXY is just solely the USD, right? And on the Euro USD, the USD is the second pair, it's not the first pair. So it basically means the Euro currency over the US dollar. Like, this is weird, bro. Why is it doing this? What's happening here? Okay, that's fine. I mean, we've got a fair value gap here as well. Order block here. Let's just see what it does. It shouldn't fail me, let me not lie. But worst comes to worst, I've got my stop loss at break even in it. So, although I should change it to break even now in case it does hit. Just bear with me. Because might as well have it risk free, you know? Have it as a risk free trade. Modify. Okay. Bear with me, guys. Heard to here. Yeah, like that's not nice to see. Bye, mom. Walaikum salam. Okay, 107, 232. There we go. Alright, that's fine. Great. As for this, what's happening? If this retraces into the fair value gap and goes down, great. This has done its move. I missed this move. It's a bit annoying to admit, but I missed it. Yeah. What's this done now? It's tapped into the fair value gap. But let's see now. Let's see what happens. Do you know something, guys? The best way to help with psychology with this is simply doing something else. Like, the moment you've got a trade running, close it, literally. Close trading view. Do something else. Have fun today. Alright, let's see. Oh, doesn't look too good, man. I'll be real. Oh no, yeah, it's not looking too good. I mean, do you know what though? Today technically was still it's still a profit day. Can't lie, because of that mistaken GBP CAD day. But nonetheless, it's fine, isn't it? Like, let's put it into perspective, right? This is risk free at this point. I've changed the stop loss to break even, meaning none of you know what that means. That means if price comes back up, it will just tap into my entry point. I won't lose anything. So it's risk free. I made just a little less than 1% on that CAD, GBP CAD, GBP CAD it was, yeah. So I just let that, like, that's what I made. But this is a bit unfortunate. I don't know why it's moving like this. You know, this was a mistrade. I can't lie. I'm a little bit regretful of it, but it's fine. It's fine. It didn't hit my 50%. That's where I would have liked the entry to be. It's okay. I'm not gonna get pressed about it. US 100 is probably not gonna happen within my window, my time window. I like my time window to be this little blank area. It's probably not gonna happen. That's okay. But let's see what this does. Just let it play out a bit. This can take however long in it, but I would say for those who are in a trade, let's just say, I'm gonna just be very, very clear with it. The trade in itself, fine, that's good, great and all. But what's more important than the trade in itself is your psychology, man. If you can pattern your psychology, you will be profitable 100%. You could be taking losses left, right, center. As long as your psychology is good, you're good, you're chilling. Do you get it? Like, that's genuinely all it comes down to. If you can maintain, okay, cool, your discipline, then you should be fine. Like, there shouldn't be a reason for you to be making more loss than your profits. Do you get it? Like, you can have a win-loss ratio of, like, I don't know, like 40%. You could be losing 40% of your trades because of your strategy. No, not losing 40. You could be winning 40% of your trades, losing 30% of your trades. But if your risk management is on point, if your risk management's on point, if your discipline's on point, your profits will still be able to outweigh your losses. That's the truth, hard truth. So with my strategy in this instance, right, it's a good strategy in my opinion. Yeah, it's just since I've been live streaming, it's just going a bit left. This week has been a bit weird for me, let me not lie. But I would say my win percentage is up there if you do it correctly, if it's executed correctly. Like, to this day, I still make little tweaks, like what I did today in the morning. When I first jumped on, I did a little bit of let's go back, let's talk about it. Do you get me? But yeah, because I talked about it and because it's like, let me see what's happening. How can I make changes, little tweaks? You want to make little tweaks with your strategy, you know? But yeah, this is up for myself, and you know what? I am hungry, bro. I might even cut this one short. Once the trade finishes, do a little sum up, a little summary. But let's let this run out. Let's let this run for a bit. I need this to keep going. Something's telling me this trade's gonna be running for a while. For some time, I have that feeling. And you know what? Just to even push this a bit further, what you can do is you can even up the time frame, use higher time frames to find profit. So in this example, I'm targeting this, which is liquidity right here. This is a liquidity sweep of the Asian low, right? You can even do it like this. Okay, cool. There's liquidity here. Okay, cool. There's liquidity here. Okay, cool. There's liquidity here. You can target all three of these points. Do you get it? We don't know where price is going to go, but we know that price might even come down to these points eventually. Do you get it? I've hit really mad trades like this where, I'll target this as my initial. The reason why I'm only targeting this Asian low is because it's a 1 to 10. Well, almost a 1 to 11 for me. But to be fair, I could even target this, or even this, or even this. That's why I don't have to take profit on it. When I take profit, I'll just take out manually. And the reason why I say that is because I keep an eye on the DXY. The DXY's main liquidity seek would be at the Asian high. But then it's got this. This is a ways to go. Do you get me? I need to remove these. This is a very long ways to go. And if it does make its way up to here and it's looking like it will, then I'll let the trade run. And it's likely, with all of this space, it'll probably get to here. Do you get what I'm trying to say? So it's good. It's a good way to look at things. I'm gonna keep these here as well in it, just so I can see on my 1 minute. My 1 minute. It's literally right below. I can literally target this as well. It would be pretty good, to be fair. And this is where, just for genuinely for the sake of psychology, let me see. Yeah, commission is crazy, man. What I'm saying, guys, when you do your funds accounts, make sure you're picking correctly as to which prop firm you're going to go with. Some prop firms have a lot of swap fees, commission fees, a lot of fees in place. Let me put it that way. It's not good. You don't want those there. It can genuinely minimize your profits. You can be in a, let's say, let me put it this way into perspective. If this trade goes back up and hits my break even, I would still technically not be in break even because of commission. They will take a commission off of it. So I'll technically still be in loss, let me not lie to you. So it's a bit of an issue, but it's fine, I guess. It's not a problem. Like here, look, price didn't tap into this. This is the one out of use, but it did tap into this one here, this fair value gap before it made its way down. But yeah. I even got Fallout running in the background as well. Yeah, I'm not here to start live streaming for Fallout 4, you know. I don't know if you guys have watched the new Fallout 4 thing, TV series. Fallout 4, the new Fallout series. It's pretty good, let me not lie. I thought I'd just buy the game. I have it on my PS4 as well, but it's been playing it on my PC. I've invested quite a bit of hours into it as well. Alright, I'm gonna let this run because I am gonna go grab something to eat. I'm gonna make myself some waffles or something like that. So let's just see what happens to this. You guys can see it. I don't want to look at it. I'll be back. Let me take my phone with me actually. Got myself some waffles running in the air fryer because I am hungry. Man wants to eat. I want to eat food, guys. Just gotta make sure I come and check on it going because know me, I'm probably gonna forget that's in there. How's this doing now? Okay, it's doing okay. It's very, very. Look at, let me put it this way, bright side of things, right? There's a structure now. There's a structure to it. I don't know if you can see that. Well, now it's moving a bit funny, but look. Here, you had a low. You have a high, low, high, low, high, low, high, low, high. Here, there's a low, there's a high, there's a low. It's not really a high, but it's still a fractal high. But yeah, we're getting some structure here, which is good. I like this. Okay, a little bug on my screen. What's this doing now? Oh my gosh. Yeah, now this trade just killed me, bro. I am not even gonna bother with this one. But I've got something to post now. Do you get me? I've got something to show. Make it interesting. Oh, okay. US 30. US 30's done a. US 30 is not gonna. Okay, US 30 actually did sweep below this, but remember I said I need to have a clear, significant sweep. And it's about to do that now. London sessions hit. Okay, let's see. Okay. Is there news at 8 from London? No, there isn't. Okay, that's fine. So yeah, London sessions just hit now. 8 o'clock. Yeah, look at that. As soon as London session hits, that's when the volatility hits as well. Obviously, you know New York. New York's probably the most crazy out of them all. Okay. This is good. Oh, imagine I caught this as well, man. Oh my gosh, why do I keep doing this to myself? So it's like I'm torturing myself. Okay. This is really good. We like this. This is what we like to see. However, as much as I like to see this, it's great and all until you start seeing retracements. Do you get me? Because obviously price needs to retrace. This is an imbalance. Price it doesn't like doing this. It needs to always fill it in. It needs to balance itself out. So essentially what price, I'm going to predict it right now. I'm going to tell you what's going to happen. Price is going to want to go back up and fill this in a bit before it carries on making its way back down. Right? Unless, there's an unless here. Unless it creates multiple imbalances. It won't take out the whole thing. It won't go to the top. It will go to about the middle one at most. Do you get it? If it plans to keep making its way down. But I'm saying, let's see what happens. See what happens. The imbalance is getting filled in now. Let's see if it comes back down. I have a feeling price does want to come down. Let me check DXY. The DX is showing. Okay, look at that. Okay, that's fine. This is going to be up quite a bit. Yeah, it's filled in the entire imbalance, the whole thing. And it should be making its way down now, hopefully. Oh, I don't like this. Okay, yeah, we need this to go up. Remember I said they're opposites. They're opposites of each other. Let's see what's happened to this. This is going up. That's not good because if the GBP USD is going up, EUR USD is going to start going up. Do you get it? And I'm not surprised this is going to start to go up because it's already swept its low. Do you get it? So it's had this change of character here. This is doing a mad thing now. I think I might start considering coming out of this trade. Okay, US 30, let me see what happens. US 30 has had a clear break below. Yeah. Let's wait though. Let's just keep weighing it out. Let's see what happens. These are normal. Okay, do you want to know something? The time I would consider coming out of this trade is if price breaks above here, which it might actually do, to be fair. If price breaks above this, then yeah. Reason why above that is because this is a fractal high. It would indicate a change of character. So let's just see what's happening. Nonsense. Oh, let me go check on my waffle. Bear with me. Just keep an eye on that. You man, bear with me. I'm just gonna make a quick phone call, yeah? That's keep an eye on that. Alright, what's happening now? Alright, let's see. So, okay, from you see price is starting to go up. It hasn't broken above yet, but it's still looking like it might. Good morning, Zach. Alright, let's see. Alright, this isn't good. I don't like seeing this, but it did tap into overclock here. Let's see if it goes up. Okay, let's see. Do you know what? I could exit this on a 1%, at a 1% gain, but I'm gonna keep it. Okay. Do you know? I might have to exit. I know. A little bit less than 1% now. Let's see if it closes above, then I'm out. Yeah, no, this isn't good. I don't like to see this. I need it to go up. What's happening to my US 30 now? US 30 showing great displacement upwards, which is what I like to see. And this is where it gets very contradictory because US 30 is also a US pair. So if this is showing it's going to go up, I might need to start considering to come up to back out of this. Technically. But even then again, I could even leave this at where it is now, get a 1 to 5, be happy with that. But then again, that's like, just give me that stuff. I don't want to do that, bro. That's what nerds do, bro.
Mine is outside, but yours coming. It's not coming.
He is gonna come in there. Leave it open. He has to take his time.
Yes, we will.
Alright, that's fine. GXY is going up. I need it to keep going up. Thing is, he's leaving that front door for this reason. See, this is where it gets very, very contradictory with itself here because it's starting to make its way up. Let's see what happens, right? Because obviously we need to see a breaker structure again, a change of character again. It's already made a change of character below here. Yeah, that's fine. Price does that sometimes before it keeps making its way back up. That's totally cool. So now we just wait and see. It did also tap into this fair value gap here. So it is actually respecting this. But let's just wait and see in it. This is still moving very funny. That's the thing. I could still exit. I don't want to exit it. That's the thing. I don't because it is almost there. The push is almost there. And it would be a pretty good trade to be catching, by the way. And obviously, remember I said psychology is key, man. Let's check what's happened to US 30. US 30 is it's in my fair value gap. I would make the entry. I genuinely would, and I think I should. It would be good. It's a good. I don't know though. I don't want to focus on 2 trades at once. Nah, I'm not gonna jump in this one. It is looking good though. If you are to catch an entry here, it would be from here. Do you get it? It's had its change of character, very clear, and it's got ways to go up as well. But I am not going to catch it because I don't want to focus on that. Reason why I'm saying I don't want to catch it is because it's being very contradictory with Euro USD, meaning this is saying it's going to be a sell. I mean, I'm hoping for it to be a sell, but then I want US 30 to be a buy to go up. Do you get it? So it is a bit contradictory because they are both US pairs, unless, but then again, the US 30 is, I don't know, it's a bit weird because, let me just double check something. If this goes up, US 30 goes down, see that dip down, then that is going up. Yeah, no, US 30 is the same. So it's polar opposites basically. See, it's coming down now. Do you see what I mean? Because this is going to come down, the US 30 would also come down. But yeah, let's see what's happening here now. Look at this. There we go, my cat's just waiting outside. I'm just going to let him in quickly. Just keep an eye on that for me then. Yeah. Oh gosh. Okay. Oh. What's up, bro? I'm back, bro. Anyways, flipping burnt my waffles, man. Oh no, why is it doing that? Anyways, you see this here. This has changed, by the way. This is going to be above here now. This is the new high. Price decides to go and break above this, then we'd think about closing. Let me put it that way, because I need clear structure. That's the only reason why I'd stay on the lower time frame, at least. I need clear structure. What's happened to the DXY now? It's choppy, but it's not good. It hasn't broken above here, which is what we want. It's on pause, but what's happened to US already? It's made equal lows with this wick here. It's crazy. This whole time with this trade has only gone halfway. Oh, I just regret not taking this. I'm still going on about that, man. It's happened. What's happened? It's happened. It's in the past. Go on, move on, man. Gosh, why is it doing that? You know, I can't lie. Price wants to move up. I can see that for a fact. I can see that, and I can tell. Do I let price do that, or do I just be safe and potentially regret later? Who knows? Who knows? US 30 is still dropping. I can see that. That's good for me, actually. This is going up now. That's good for me. This should be going down. Yes, it's starting to go down. Still very choppy in the middle, though. DXY, I need you to keep going up. Keep going up, my friend. Keep going up. It's good, man. Look at that. We're doing this now, man. Yeah, this is what we want. It's what we want to see. Oh, it's going up again. No. Love waffles, bruv. Oh, we got some people here, yeah? You, man, come say something in the chat. Why not? How you guys doing? Basically, let me just fill you guys in if you guys don't know. Just kind of saw you guys are in it right now, innit? But essentially, we're just in a EU trade at the moment. And let's just say it's going okay for now. It's going okay. DXY is respecting. But let's see, innit? But it's a good trade. I don't know, let me fill you guys in, but it's been a bit of a hectic one. We've had an accidental trade on a wrong pair. And that was interesting. Basically, I must have placed a trade. I was trying to place a trade on this, right? And it was over here at some point or something like that. But I placed it on GBP CAD at first without realizing, and then I'm seeing this on like loss, like a big fat loss. So I just rushed into GBP CAD, see if it's still worth even staying in. Stayed in, and it just dropped out of nowhere. Let me show you actually, because I did take the trade. GBP CAD. Also, for you man that's already in here, genuinely, like, ask me questions in it, and I'll literally teach you guys anything that you want to know. Any questions that you have, I'll teach you. Yeah, look, if I stayed in this trade, I'd be in good profit, but I must have entered it here on accident, and it just dropped out of nowhere. Went up. This was a big fat loss for me. That just dropped, and it's kind of low-key scared me in it. But I got just a little less than 1% from this. But the reason why I didn't stay in this is because I wasn't analyzing it, so I didn't really know what was happening to it. So I just kind of saw that I was planning on waiting for break even, just exit in it. So yeah, but this happens. I'll take it. It's fine. Keeping it in would have been good, but it's fine. Obviously, you can't. I'm not even gonna look at that. It's gonna make me regret again. This is my trade that I analyzed. Right. But yeah, come on, people, man. Say something. If you guys have questions, I'm here to teach, you know. I'm here to answer questions. But yeah, it's why is it doing this now, man? Okay, basically, we've had another change of character, which is good for us actually. But essentially, what's been happening here is, just to kind of fill you guys in, if you guys are unaware, DXY corresponds with the US dollar. It is the US dollar essentially. So these are basically polar opposites. So whenever you see a red candle on the DXY, on here it will be going up basically, and vice versa. So if you start seeing a blue candles, if the DXY is going up, the USD, Euro USD pair will be going down. Yeah. So in this instance, you see how it's a blue candle now. Look, we've got a red candle now. Do you get it? So it's gonna start coming down. So that's what we're waiting on. And the reason why this structure is important is because we want this to keep going up. So there was a major change of character here, started making its way up. Obviously, I was in the trade by then, and now it's been a bit choppy. It's doing its thing though, isn't it? It's calm though. I was looking at US 30 as well. This was going to be a potential entry for me, but I didn't enter. This is meant to be a buy for me, but it's very contradictory to what I'm trying to trade at the moment. So I didn't. Don't do that. Don't like seeing that. Okay, let's see. Oh yeah, basically it should have been here, to be fair. I can't lie. Okay. Oh, I got lucky, bro. It didn't close. It was meant to close above this. If it closed above this, I'd have considered exiting the trade. But it's respecting, which is good. Basically, if it closed above this point here, I'd consider exiting. Reason why is because this is my new lower high. But let's see what the DXY is doing. It needs to keep going up though. It should be fine. I think it should be fine. You guys got any questions, by the way? Because you guys, I see two of you are just watching. Because wants to be trading, like, I don't watch me eat as well. You guys can watch me eat some my burnt waffles if you want. Someone just dropped me a message. Okay. Price has been in this zone for a minute. You know where the London session started? Basically, this green box here, it's been in this zone for a while now. It's actually annoying me, I can't lie. Okay. Not good. Yeah, it's looking too good, bruv. What's the DXY saying now? Yeah, even the DXY has been a bit choppy. I think it might be entering the consolidation phase. But let's see. Let's wait and see. Not good. Not good. I'm gonna have to exit. Come on, can we go up, please? Not down. Why are you gonna go down for? I'll have to be back out the trade. Time to exit, I think. Maybe not. Teasing me, bruv. Why is it teasing me for? They did come to here. I'm not so good with you. You guys still here or have you guys left? Yeah, you guys have gone now, yeah? It was nice having you guys around, can't lie. That's not good. Why is it doing that? Yeah, very not good. That's all. But yeah, this is up. It's going up now. No London session. We will do that. Okay. I'm gonna look for an exit now. There's no need for me to stay in this. But in terms of my reward, it's not much. But it is what it is, isn't it? Great trade until it lasted. This would be around 1 to 3. It's a bit dead, but dead or not, could exit here. Kicks like any last moments, might as well get me up to that 1%. I'm just below 1%. Okay, you can make me drop lower as well. That's also fine. I get it. Come on, Blad. Why are you doing that? No. Okay. Do you know what's crazy though? Yeah, because I guarantee this is what's gonna happen. I'll exit the trade. I'm gonna regret it. I promise you. That's probably what's gonna happen. Always happen. Mm-hmm. What's happened to US right now? Yeah, US fight is going up now. Oh, I'm not gonna swear, bro. No swearing. Do you know what, guys? I'm out. Oh, this trade was a bit dead. It's here. This is where we exited. I'll be wrong. Today's a 1%, I think. No, it's about 1.5%. No, I mean, could have left it a bit earlier, way earlier. To be fair, I should have left it when I said I was going to leave it. Psychology. That's what I'm saying. The psychology is bad. It happens, you know. But yeah, I would have been stopped out anyways because my stop loss near here. But US 30 now. No, you could even look for a buy on US 30. The reason why I say that is because currently it is abiding by my rules. Right, see, look at that. It's good I exited on time, no? I'm happy I exited on time. Don't regret it. Let me be real with you guys. So, when I had this trade running, the peak it got to at its highest for me was almost 2%. Almost. It was about 1.75%. Right? But let me give you an example. This is what I mean when I say psychology is very important. I said to myself, when it breaks above this, I'll start looking for an exit. I did not exit on time. Look where I exited. This cost me basically majority of that. Over here, great. But when it started getting to here, I was about at 1%. This is about 1% for me, a little bit less than 1%. But wishful thinking was wishing me, yeah, it needs to come down, No. Obviously, then it got to up here. Then I'm seeing, okay, cool. I just exited flat out. Just had to suck it up. And now I only get to keep for myself just from that one trade 0.5%. A little bit over 0.55% I get to keep for myself. Don't want to listen to my psychology. No, not listen. I don't want to listen to my brain, what my brain was telling me. What my initial game plan was, I don't want to listen to it. And that's the problem, you know. What's US 100 doing now? But altogether, I would say. Wait, let me quickly stop sharing my screen because I don't want to share like sensitive stuff. Just bear with me. I just want to quickly check something. My thingies for the day. Let's see, view details. Okay. Okay, so it's not fully logged yet, but max loss today? None. Today's a profit day, which is good. I didn't get to fully make my losses back, but if we have another profit day tomorrow, make my losses back. Yeah, which is good. That's fine. That's too fair. That's all I pretty much care about at this point. Reason why. Reason why. Let me just say. Yeah, I'm probably done for the day anyways, isn't it? Because I don't really see the need to trade anymore. I've made 2 trades for the day. That's fine. That is okay. Just double checking one more thing on my trading view. If it's even no, this is what I mean. I'm just gonna press X and trading view. Done, bro. I'm done. Done. I've X'd it off. But yeah, essentially, what I'm saying is, I'm just trying to make my losses back. Right. I can most definitely make it back. Believe it or not, if I exited that trade when I exited the trade, my losses would have more or less been filled in it. Like, I would have fulfilled it, but it's fine. Like I'm saying, it's psychology problem. But I have a drink that I was meant to be drinking while I was on the stream. If you man know about this, you know about this. You get me? This is the drink I can't have. But yeah, the point being is, at this point, my goal is literally just to make back my profits this week. Make back my losses this week. So I've got tomorrow left, anyways. Tomorrow's Friday. Next Monday comes through. The reason why I'm saying that is Monday I missed a great day. Monday was a very, very good day. Missed it. Like, I would have 100% possibly profited, but I still missed it. Woke up too late. Tuesday, same thing, missed it. And no, Tuesday's when I start my first loss because I missed a good trade in the morning. It's fine, it is what it is. And then I must have just rushed into a trade FOMO. Made loss. Okay, fine. Wednesday, first day of streaming, made loss. Flipping trading. Anyways, made loss, but it is what it is, isn't it? It's fine. And then today, profit, finally. It's a bit weird, but even then, my trades are going very weird though. Like, normally I'd have a trade running, and I normally hit my take profits, to be fair, but it's a bit weird as well. Do you know what? Let me put it this way: if I had done that GU trade, that GBP USD trade, then yeah, I'd be in profit. Like, it hit my take profit and everything. That Euro USD one was just too slow. That's it. It was too slow. It didn't keep up with everything else. But it's fine. Still caught out in profit. 2 trades in profit, at least made more than 1% back. That's all I care about. Okay. I was in more than 2% loss before. Yeah, before that I was at about 2.5% loss, and I made back majority of it, and I've got a little less than 1% to make back. I'm fine. I'm happy with that. I'm happy. I'm very happy with that. That basically sums up a lot for me. So that's good. And yeah, that's it. Good stuff for me, man. And whoever jumped on today, I know there's a couple of you, man. I very much appreciate that. Thank you for coming on. Would have preferred some questions as well, can't lie. That's why I'm here. I'm here to give out free juice and stuff. I've been learning for a minute now. See you, man, tomorrow, innit? If any of you do come on, I'll drop another reminder on my Snap, innit? Yeah, in a bit.